I began my career into the world of information technology, unsure whether I would be able to place myself into the world of professionalism. I wanted to understand the world of information technology, and I wanted to upskill myself and place myself into a much better position from my previous working role. And that's when I realized Simplilearn is the platform that could actually help me in understanding from the fundamental level to a more expert level. Completing the course program, going through 10 months of certificate course helped me a lot and provided me enough confidence to upskill myself. And with this upskilling, I am confident enough to secure much better roles into the world of IT and jobs. Hi, my name is Kumar Singh, and this is my journey. I live in Lucknow. I have attained my education from BTech as an electrical electronics engineer from Shri Ram's Group Memorial Group of Professional Colleges. My first opportunity was provided to me by HCL Technologies from Lucknow, and soon I moved to a better company, Cognizant Technology Solutions, Bangalore. When going through the work in terms of senior systems engineer and its roles over here, I have found that there have been certain tools which I think I might not be able to understand if I dig deeper to understand its more functionality, to utilize it more to help myself in completing my task, in completing the work which is there with me. Whatever you do in 10 hours of shift, that's the only knowledge you will be getting. February of 2024 was the first time when I realized that I need to upskill myself. I need to attain more technical knowledge, and I need to understand how this world of information system works and how cybersecurity is one of the important part and feature of this system. I realized that Simplilearn is one of the platform which could actually, fulfill the requirements that I am looking for. And my first impression with Simplilearn was really wonderful. It has vast ranges of course programs, its facilitators, the education platform, the labs. Simplilearn is one of the platform which has provided me everything that I was looking for. One of the things that really attracted me and one of the things which really stood out for me from Simplilearn is its flexibility of training and course programs. I used to work regularly in office, and Simplilearn was able to provide me the course that I wanted, the training program I wanted, the technical programs that I wanted in the weekend slot. If I compare myself to the earlier stages of my career and how I have advanced through this career profile, I would say I was not that diverse enough. I didn't have much more variations in me. I was sometimes limited to a very specific role in my profile. So I would say after joining Simplilearn and going through the course program, I am much more confident enough to take much of the responsibilities that are being provided to me. And it's very true at this point that my management in my current job role provides me more responsibilities. Why? Because I think they have understood that I am much more capable of handling the issues. I take those responsibilities seriously, and much more importantly, I take those responsibilities much more confidently, all because of Simplilearn and Simplilearn's training program and its community.